today's video we will show you how to add aircraft performance data in the fleet section. You can add the aircraft performance data in fleet section. It will be used for calculating STA time on all trips on the particular tail, as one of available flight time calculations, based on aircraft performance model. To proceed with setting up, go to the fleet section in the admin panel. Choose the particular aircraft and select the Performance tab. Fill in the available fields, such as average fuel consumption, climb and descent rate, max flight level and max range, depending on the pax amount. The minimum ground time field will be used as a rotation time for the aircraft and subsequently, towards rotation prognosis calculation in the ops timeline view. Furthermore, when you add a new trip and the difference between STA of the last leg and STD of the new leg is less than minimum ground time set in this field, Leon will display a warning message. A field minimum flight time is used in requests quotes panel if the calculated flight time is shorter than this value. The view in Ops module will be displayed in block column and calculates as minimum flight time plus taxi times. Below you can select which calculation model you want Leon to apply. Advanced and simple performance calculation modes prove more efficient for longer distances, as they are less accurate at short distances, due to departure and landing procedures. The advanced calculation model can be useful on short-haul flights, as it is more accurate when it comes to calculating STA. In route factor, expressed as a percentage, you can increase great circle distance. Leon will firstly calculate the distance between departure and destination airports, increased by the route factor. Then a profile is checked. For example, if the distance between departure and destination airports is 400 nautical miles, Leon will use a distance profile added for 500 nautical miles. For long-haul flights, the second line will be taken into account. Complete the remaining fields with appropriate data and remember to save the settings at the bottom panel. The simple calculation model is based on speed profiles. Add the aircraft speed details into from and cruise speed fields by defining speed at each stage of a flight, after the specified time of a flight. Once the performance setup is finished, it can be used as an aircraft performance model option to compare with other methods of calculating flight time available in Leon, under Calculate Flight Time button in Sales and Ops modules. When creating a new trip, simply choose the option Calculated from GCD or Calculated from GCD and Winds. The flight time of an aircraft is calculated based on the aircraft profile, the distances between two locations and prevailing winds. The winds dataset is based on the monthly averages of wind velocities at different atmospheric pressures. It takes into account seasonal trends, making it even more accurate and up-to-date.